Gusto mo ba ng video tutorial kung paano gawin yung AI photo?
Watch this video until the end.
First step is you go to your App Store or Play Store and download Photolab. Pag na-download mo na yung app, click mo lang yung 3-day free trial. Make sure na after mong mag-edit, i-unsubscribe mo na yung free trial. Pag nasa mismong app ka na, mamili ka lang dyan ng anong gusto mong AI. Pag may napili ka na, upload mo na yung photo mo. And wait for the result. And tada! Yan na yung result. I-click mo lang yung picture na nagustuhan mo at pwede pala itong palitan yung hair color at saka hairstyle mo. I-click mo lang yung proceed and you wait for the result. Tada! Yan na yung akin. AI photo. Pumili ka lang ng picture na gusto mong i-download and you're done. Ito pala yung finished product ng AI photo. If you want more video like this, please follow me. Thanks for watching!